Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's recipe, I'm gonna make a chicken nachos. So let's start. First, we have 2 handful of tortilla chips. Lagay lang po natin siya dito sa ating plate. Dapat po pantay po siya pagka ano. Then next, we'll put the chicken. 1.5 chicken. Put this in the top of the chips. So ito po, after I put the tortilla chips and the chicken, so we will add the 1 cup of cheddar cheese.
On top of the chicken.
Then after that, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of corn. And then 1/4 cup of olives. Half of green onion. Ito na po siya. So, we'll put this in the microwave for at least 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese is melt. Put this in the microwave. Yeah. So we're just gonna wait. Malapit na po siyang matapos. Ito na. Chicken nachos. 3 minutes lang po yan, guys. If you did not know what is a chicken nachos, it's kind of like an appetizer, but you can make it a dinner also if you prepare a lot, like this one. So this is good for dinner. So this is it. Ta-da! Kain na. So ito na po siya, guys. Luto na siya. We're gonna try. Really good. Try this at your home. This is easy. Very easy. But thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.